Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly, while others struggle to make ends meet? Let's dive into the concept of a money mindset. It's a fascinating psychological construct that shapes our relationship with money. It's not just about how much we earn or how much we save. It's about our fundamental beliefs and attitudes towards money. Now, here's a thought to ponder. Have you ever heard the phrase, money is the root of all evil? Or maybe, rich people are greedy? These are what we call limiting beliefs about money. They're deeply ingrained notions that can shape our actions and decisions without us even realizing it. Imagine, for instance, that you believe money is inherently evil. This belief could subconsciously deter you from pursuing wealth, even when opportunities present themselves. It could influence you to live paycheck to paycheck, constantly struggling, because you fear that accumulating wealth would make you evil. Similarly, if you believe that rich people are greedy, it could affect your ambition to become wealthy. Why? Because nobody wants to be seen as greedy, right? This belief might lead you to associate wealth with negative traits, creating an unwarranted fear of financial success. These limiting beliefs can put a stranglehold on your financial potential. They can trap you in a cycle of financial struggle, making it difficult to break free and achieve the success you deserve. It's like trying to run a marathon with weights on your feet. You'll still move, but you're not going to get very far. But here's the good news. Once you recognize these beliefs for what they are, you can start to challenge and change them. It's about shifting your perspective, about understanding that money is not inherently evil or a sign of greed, but a tool that, when used wisely, can provide opportunities and security. Understanding these limiting beliefs is the first step towards a healthier money mindset. So, let's take that step together, shall we? In the next scene, we'll explore the power of perception and how it can influence your financial future. Stay tuned. Did you know that your perception of money can directly influence your financial reality? It's a thought-provoking question, isn't it? Now let's delve into why this is the case. The mind, as complex as it is, has this fascinating ability to shape our reality, and our perception plays a starring role in this. Think about it. When you believe something to be true, you act based on that belief, don't you? And these actions, in turn, shape your reality. Now, when it comes to money, this principle is no different. Let's consider a simple example. Imagine someone who perceives money as a scarce resource. They believe there's never enough of it. This perception leads them to live in a constant state of fear and stress, worrying about every penny spent. They may avoid risks, miss out on opportunities, or even sabotage their own success because they're so focused on scarcity. This is a classic case of a negative mindset leading to self-sabotaging behavior. On the flip side, what if someone perceives money as an abundant resource? They believe there's always more where that came from. This perception leads them to be open to opportunities, take calculated risks, and invest in their future. Their positive mindset fuels actions that can lead to wealth accumulation and financial growth. Now you might be thinking, well, that's all well and good, but how can I change my perception? And that's a great question. Changing your perception isn't about ignoring reality. It's about choosing to focus on the positive, the possible, and the abundant. You can start by challenging those limiting beliefs you hold about money. Ask yourself why you hold these beliefs and whether they're serving you. Often, you'll find they're based on outdated information and past experiences that no longer reflect your current reality. Then, replace these limiting beliefs with empowering ones. For instance, instead of thinking there's never enough money, you could think there are many ways to create wealth. By shifting our perception, we can overcome these limiting beliefs and unlock our true financial potential. But how do we break free from these limiting beliefs? Well, it's not as daunting as it might seem. The first step towards this journey is to recognize and acknowledge these beliefs. Once you've identified them, you can start to challenge them. Ask yourself, is this belief based on facts? And is it just something I've been conditioned to believe? More often than not, you'll find that these so-called truths are nothing more than myths. One effective strategy is to replace these limiting beliefs with positive affirmations. Now, these aren't just feel-good phrases. These are powerful tools that can rewire your brain and shift your mindset. Let's say you've always believed that money is the root of all evil. You could replace this with money is a tool that can help me achieve my dreams. Repeat this affirmation daily, and you'll start to see a shift in your attitude towards money. Visualization is another powerful tool. It involves creating a mental picture of the financial success you desire. Imagine how it would feel to be financially free. What would you do? Where would you go? The more detailed your visualization, the more impactful it will be. But sometimes, these beliefs are deeply ingrained that we need professional help to overcome them. This is where a financial coach or therapist can be invaluable. They can provide you with the tools and guidance to break free from these limiting beliefs. Remember, the journey to overcome these beliefs is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It takes time, patience, and consistent effort, but the rewards are well worth the effort. In the end, it's all about developing a healthy relationship with money. It's about seeing money not as a master, but as a servant, a tool that can help you achieve your dreams and live the life you've always wanted. With these strategies in hand, you're well on your way to a healthier relationship with money. Imagine, what would life be like without these limiting beliefs about money? Picture a world where financial stress doesn't loom over your every decision. A world where you're not constantly worried about the next paycheck, or whether you'll have enough to cover unexpected expenses. It's a world where you're in control, not your finances. This is the power of overcoming limiting beliefs about money. It's about more than just having more cash in your pocket. It's about the freedom to make choices based on what you truly want, not what you can afford. Imagine being able to pursue your passion projects without worrying about the financial implications. Think about the peace of mind that comes with knowing you have a safety net, that you're financially secure. Overcoming limiting beliefs about money can open up a world of opportunities. It can allow you to take risks, to invest in yourself and your future. It can give you the freedom to live life on your own terms, to create the life you've always dreamed of. And the best part? This isn't some far-off fantasy. It's entirely possible. It starts with changing your mindset, with challenging and overcoming those limiting beliefs that hold you back. The path to financial freedom isn't always easy, but it's always worth it. Overcoming these limiting beliefs is not just about money. It's about creating a life of abundance and fulfillment. Are you ready to break free from your limiting beliefs about money? Remember, the power to change is in your hands. Start applying the strategies we've discussed today, and you'll be on your way to financial freedom. Imagine the possibilities when you're no longer held back by these imposed barriers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with others who might benefit from it. What's one limiting belief about money you're committed to overcoming? Share in the comments below.